Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix proximity sensor not working on iPhone after update iOS 17. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. Before start the video, firstly you should subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. If your iPhone proximity sensor is not working, simply reboot your iPhone and fix your problem. Press the volume up button, volume down button and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, simply wait 5 to 10 seconds and your iPhone is restart and your problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is clean the screen of your iPhone. Clean your screen with soft cloth and fix your problem. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is remove protector and case and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is update at the latest iOS. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, simply download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset all settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset. Tap on reset, reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. Reset all settings to confirm this action and your iPhone settings will be restored and your proximity sensor problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, now contact with support.apple.com or visit the nearest Apple store and fix your proximity sensor problem on your any iPhone and latest iOS versions. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix proximity sensor not working on iPhone after update iOS 17. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.